we went from airplanes to putting cars in the trailer. Now, I don't know if you can see up there, but that's the McLaren up top. And then for weight distribution, we had to put the V12 S65 Mercedes down here. That's gonna be our poke around Bradenton. We're going to GTR World Cup this weekend in the big green Lambros trailer. Pretty pimpo, huh? Lambros! I have some iPhone footage that I'll show you, but I mean, I'll put it in here, but look at this. Us loading it up on the race ramps in order to get it up there. I have to show you what it looks like from the front. Pretty crazy. Did you turn it off? Because I set it to where they go off after 30 seconds. Hey, we gotta have something to roll around in Bradenton with. This is the funnest part of my day. I did mortgages today, all day. I flew on an airplane today. But this is the fun part, loading up cars into a big old green trailer. Lambros logistics trailer. Now look at this. It's white and it's going black. So we're wrapping it. So this whole thing will be black.
Hey, that's your car.
It's my dad's. Okay, so we're strapping this sucker down, boys. This is how you fit a Mercedes in the thing. Jacob, I'm not videoing you in your compromising position, but oh my god. Oh my god. It's a lot of fun. Range Rover's over there. Whoop. Range Rover. This is going to GTR World Cup along with the McLaren. And let me show you the front of the McLaren. Let me show you. All right, now, by the way, guys, this is quite an ordeal, okay? Because you have to strap it at the front, you have to strap it at the back. Super tight fit. We're having a little trouble with the lights staying on. But here's the McLaren. It's going. Everything gets dusty when you're in here, you know? So you gotta shut that and lock it. Then we'll end up having to turn the lights off up there, and they are like ready to get on the road. So this is taking like a little longer than Jacob wanted, but we're getting through it. And then we'll be filming when we're in Sarasota also. Okay, people. Here's the deal. The best part about taking the big green trailer is all the toys that come with it. So we get to ride our little scooters. Look at this. So I'm gonna take the scooters out so we can put them in the trailer. And hold on, this thing's locked, so. Look out, Mr. Sanchez. All right, here we go. This is a all-terrain vehicle. Woo woo! Oh yeah, baby. One of the toys that we get to take. We're gonna strap it down up in here. And then we got a black one also. I'll go grab the black one. Cool big old, and then we gotta bring the chargers. It is Saturday, we're in Bradenton, Florida. And I'm sitting in this sweet twin turboed R8. Look, it's got a cage up in here. Right next to a Lambo. Look how loud this is. Let me just show you our setup. Woo-wee! We're at the track, and we got the big green Lambros trailer. Here's the track. We're in Bradenton, Florida. Bradenton Motorsports Park. It's a little overcast, cloudy, it rained this morning, but they're drying the track up, and then we're gonna do a whole lot of really fast cars. So we got twin turbo R8, we got a twin turbo Huracan Performante, another twin turbo Huracan, that's an all-wheel drive Huracan R8. There's a Urus, another R8 that's turboed, another R8 that's turboed, non-turboed R8, McLaren, and then we got the S65 over there. This is what I'm cruising around in. See, it's unlocked. And it is. Jacob must have the keys. There's the truck. We're gassing up the generator. And oh, there's another Performante that's turboed. So anyway, we're just out here at the track, having a good time. I think we're gonna put the lift gate up at the back of the trailer so that we can have a good view. We're about halfway down the track. So this is what we're doing in Florida. So we bring our fast cars down here and run them, see who goes the fastest. So I will get some of that action on this camera as soon as it starts in the next few minutes later. Hey, we're gonna go down here and see what this one's looking like, because he's on the side of the road and he's smoking. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars. Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.